went to the Martin Luther King Botanical Gardens. They're across from the park. And a guy that runs it was there, and he came out and he talked to me about it for a little bit. And they basically they made plant beds. He's been there for 15 years. They have plant beds that they've been planting in trees across the street from Martin Luther King Park in San Antonio. And they have like volunteers come. There's a sign that says every Saturday at 10 a.m. People come and work on the gardens and stuff. And then they give the food back to the local community. It's pretty cool, super sustainable, super conscientious of like the local community, and definitely a effective, efficient way to give back. I want to eat more fruits and vegetables, and B, learn how to grow them for my own sustainable, nutrition and food. The food that I get eventually, I want it to be sustainable and healthy. Eating the kind of food I eat makes good content now. It's efficient when I'm on the road and I'm doing deliveries and I'm traveling and stuff, and I don't have the best cooking environment necessarily. So it's kind of why I eat the food I do now. But I know when I have an opportunity, I want to learn how to grow my own food, be more sustainable in that aspect, and eat healthier. I get away with my vitality right now. It's crazy that I'm 30 and, most people my age, they can't really eat what I eat all the time. And even if I didn't exercise, I wouldn't really impact me too much. My health, I'm sure, would deteriorate eventually, but I can kind of get away with it right now. I can kind of eat shitty, and I don't necessarily have to work out. And doing Uber Eats, doing food deliveries is better overall, everyday, constant exercise than working a desk job, a day job that I used to work. And I kind of progressed to being more and more outside while I was finding higher paying positions when I worked through 3 engineering companies after grad school. And that was because, sitting at a desk all day, the more you do it, is super unhealthy. It's unhealthy for your eyes, it's healthy for your physical fitness. Talked about in the past, just the quality air, oxygen you get when you work a desk job, the longer you're inside, it's just unhealthy for you in so many ways. How's it going?
OMW, pick a melody.